An asteroid the size of the World Trade Center is on a dangerous Earth-bound orbit that could see the rock smash the planet during Christmas festivities. The asteroid, known as 216258-2006 WH1, is set for its closest approach to Earth on December 20, just days before Christmas. The 540 meters space rock is the same size as the World Trade Center and would cause a significant amount of damage and mass extinction. The asteroid is currently thought to be hurtling towards the Earth at a speed of 43,200 km per hour or 26,843 miles per hour. The asteroid's course could be further influenced by a phenomenon known as the Yarkovsky effect. The effect occurs when the gentle force of sunlight edges an asteroid either way of its natural course. Scientists, using the Yarkovsky effect, were able to estimate the most accurate determination of an asteroid's orbit to date. Asteroids larger than approximately 35 meters across pose a threat to a town or city, this meaning that 216258-2006 WH1's 540 meters diameter would likely cause havoc across the globe. The asteroid hasn't yet been measured on the Torrio Impact Hazard Scale, but will likely be listed as a serious threat when and if it is added. A stripped-down version of the Torino scale was presented to the United Nations in 1995. Then, a revised version was presented in 1999 at a conference on Near-Earth Objects (NEO). It was at this conference that participants voted to make the revised version the main scale that scientists would use and refer to when labeling the threat asteroids posed to Earth. The system has an integer scale ranging from 0 to 10 with associated color coding. It currently captures the likelihood and consequences of a potential impact event. A 10 on the scale means a collision is certain, capable of causing global climatic catastrophe that may threaten the future of civilization as we know it, whether colliding with land or ocean. Such events occur on average once per 100,000 years, or less often. A 1 on the scale corresponds to a routine and normal discovery. This normal terminology only came about in 2005, when a 1 on the scale initially meant events meriting careful monitoring. This resulted in exaggerated press coverage as Scale 1 asteroids were relatively common, so the terminology had to be changed to normal so as to avoid stirring mass panic and attention. For these asteroids, the calculations showed the chance of collision as extremely unlikely with no cause for public attention or concern. New telescopic observations very likely will lead to reassignment of those originally classed as Level 1 to eventually become a Level 0. Organizations like NASA and the European Space Agency (ESA) keep a watchful eye on NEOs passing close to Earth. NEOs are all comets and asteroids whose orbits approach Earth's path around the Sun. NASA said, and NEO includes any asteroid, meteoroid or comet orbiting the Sun within 18,600,000 miles, 30 million kilometers, of Earth's orbit. Out of the 829,361 known asteroids and 3,592 known comets in the system, more than 20,000 space rocks are ranked as NEOs.